This is my beehive. It's 2014, July, and that's what a top bar hive looks like. And this is a top bar that I made to spot where they'll build the comb off of. And if we go inside, this is my little feeder tray down in there, and I'm about to put food in there. But here's our little bee friends here. The comb is built right to the edge of the hive. You can see that. And there's a group over here. These guys right here, they're building new comb. Behind them, this white comb is brand new. Let's see if I can focus on that. And behind that, you'll see even more comb as we go deeper into the hive. Let's see if I can get down at the bottom here. Look really deep inside. It's pretty cool. A lot of bees. They're pretty busy. That's what's going on inside the hive. Outside they're going in and out. I got 3 holes open, one of which they closed up with wax. They're checking me out now. They're pretty busy. Get a little curious about who I am, what I'm doing. So the bees are pretty busy. And so here's the food I'm going to put in there. Right here. It's basically some nectar, pollen, supplements, and sugar water. So I have holes in the top of it where it drips out of. And I put it in this tray that I made. And that tray has a notch in it. Oops. A few bees there. And a little guy crawling on me. He's alright. Try to get him to come off. Come on. There he goes. And try to get him so that I don't hurt anyone, but also give them some food. That's it. And I'll drip into that little reservoir down there, and the bees will lap it up. A little extra food, especially on those rainy days. I feel like there's a lot of competition in the area, so it makes sense to give them some supplemental food. There's a couple hives nearby. That's it.